Hey guys, it's Andrew. This will be my first video. I'm gonna be doing fishing. This is gonna be a fishing channel. I'm headed out to a spot I fish pretty regularly. Usually get some pretty good luck out there. Mainly channel cat, pretty decent size. But we're headed out there now. I'm gonna go pick up some bait, and I'll see y'all at the water. This is a spot. Looks like it's about to rain, honestly. But we're gonna try to make something happen. It's always a good sign when you can see the fish moving. It's a good temperature outside. Simple little setup. They go right over there. I live in a very marshy area of South Georgia. Fishing here is a little bit different. Let's see if I can't teach y'all something. So when I come out here, try to stay out from under the bridge. There's a lot of snags. That little area right over there, little opening. A lot of red drum, sometimes catfish, flounder. They like to hide up in that little area. And right out here in the middle, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a school fish right there. Pretty certain this isn't gonna work, but let's see if I can. Yeah, probably not. Sometimes you can, when they're swimming like that, you got a good circle hook or something, you can foul hook. I've done it a couple times. Seen people do it with treble hooks, but it'd be some good bait fish. But rather than sitting here and wasting my time trying to do that, we're gonna go ahead and get some bait on. First cast. Didn't sound too good. Just gonna let that sink to the bottom. Tighten up the line. Wait. Let's see if these fish are hungry today. Ooh, what's that? It's not a fish. Wow. There's so many bait fish right there. I should have brought my cast net. I'll get out there a little bit closer to that opening. Yeah, right there. Okay. Now we'll let it sit. Already. See what happens. Some little trash fish messing with it.
Where's the pole I'm using?
Right there. Probably took my bait. It's gonna be one of them days, Cameron. There's a bunch of bait fish sitting out here. I was trying to foul hook one, but it didn't go too good. you go, right there. This is a pretty big alligator, ain't it? It's that one that's usually out here. He's messed with my bait a couple times. All right, let's try that again. Had to rebait, took my bait. Nothing yet. We'll get one eventually. Oh, well, might be it right there. I got him. Nope. I'm gonna try a different spot.
I haven't tested this pole very often, so I can't tell. Just the weight of the pole is I actually have some.
Get out there a little bit deeper.
I had some.
Oh wow, yep, there he goes, little channel cat. Not the size we're looking for, but it'll do for now, you know. Oh, here it goes.
Tells you today is doomed.
Yeah.
Since when do I ever catch a fish before you?
Oh no, it's crazy. He's out here catching, I'm out here just showing y'all what not to do, basically. Sit there and look stupid. This isn't normally how I bait a hook, but kind of don't have much time to waste. Tide's at like the perfect spot right now. The spot's a little weird. For all the fishermen out there that might watch this, usually when you're doing saltwater fishing, or when you're fishing channels like this is brackish right here. But whenever you're fishing channels like this, I've heard that outgoing tides are okay, but tides coming in tend to you tend to have better luck. But in this one, it's dead low tide. Dead low tide is the best time here. There's so much activity. It's crazy. There's something messing with it. It's not taking it though. Probably something small, of course. I don't know what phase the moon is, but they're moving like it's, oh wow. Yep. Oh nope. Wait. Is it? Yep. I got him. It's a little one. Real little. Little blue cat. Oh, channel cat. People mix those two up a lot. Best way to identify a blue cat, like if you look at this one, this is a channel cat. You know, it's got very bland colors. They're a little bit less aggressive, not as pretty. A blue cat is, of course, gonna have a blue hue to it. These, to some people, might appear blue. They're more of a grayish color, but a blue cat is gonna be blue, and it's gonna have like little spots on it, little polka dots. It's the easiest way. 9 times out of 10 when you catch one, doesn't matter how big or small they are, they're gonna have leeches, at least around here. They're pretty though. see what takes. Ooh, that was lightning, wasn't it? Cloud's going right over us. Catfishing is it's pretty simple. You know, they're pretty greedy little animals. It don't sound too good. But yeah, if they taste it, you know, get ready for the take, because they're that interested. They're gonna take. Yeah, go ahead. By the way, this is my buddy Cameron. He's usually the only one out here fishing with me. I don't have many fishing buddies.
My baby Red Heart.
Oh Lord.
Red Heart. FaceTime video.
So this might be the last fish. I can hear the rain. I can see the rain, and there's a fish trying to steal my pole. So you go ahead and get at the truck, Cameron. Bring the truck up here. Oh, I'm scared. That is a lot of rain. Well, it's a nice first video, isn't it? You can see it. Oh yeah. Okay. Well, that does it. I'll see y'all in the next one. That's a heck of a first video, isn't it, Cameron?
Yeah, it was horrible.
Yep, I got maybe 30 minutes of content right there. My bun is soaked.
I was smart enough to get in the truck before the rain.
Yeah, it'll be better. It'll be better, I promise. They were biting really good. I don't know why this had to happen. Hopefully it'll clear up in the next 30 minutes so we can get back out here, and my shrimp will still be there because I left the shrimp. But yeah, I guess that's it.
No, you only lost $10.
Yeah, I know. But I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks.